Hi guys, welcome to our series all about Wix carts, orders, and checkouts. Today we're going to talk about how you can require your customers to sign up first before making purchases on your Wix site. Let's get started. On the Wix editor, go to Pages and Menu. And under Store Pages, go to your cart page. Click on Settings next to it and go to the Permissions tab. Who can access this page? Make sure to select Site Members and then select All Members. Once you're done, you can go ahead and click on Save to save this settings. And to see it in action, we're going to view our site. Once we are previewing our site, we're going to try to select some products that we can add to our cart. And then we're going to view our cart. And once you do that, this pop-up should appear requiring you to sign up first, which means we've successfully required customers to sign up before making a purchase. And that's all for today, guys. We hope you found today's video of help. If you did, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.